Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open EXE files on Android. So I'll explain what works and what doesn't and the safest tools to use. Let's get started. So first, quick clarification. So actually Android cannot natively run Windows EXE files because the EXE file is built for Windows system. But here there are some apps that let us simulate Windows so some Excel files can run, and that's what we are using today. So there are two apps that work the best. The first options you can use this one, winlator apps. It's free, runs many Windows programs, and also great for old games and simple apps. And the second options is Limbo PC emulator. It's more advanced and it works well for lightweight EXE files. But here, on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the winlator applications because it's the easiest for beginners. So first, you can head into Google Play Store or the official winlator website and install the apps. You can just search for winlator.org or just you can download it from GitHub or the official website. And once the app install, you can just open it. Let's open the application. So you can just create a container first. You can click on the plus button at the top, and here is the settings. You can just click on the check icon and it will create a Windows-like environment automatically. So you can just open it by clicking on the play button. So after this, you can just copy your EXE files into your phone storage. You can place it on the download folder, and here inside the winlator, you can just add the program, browse your storage, and select your EXE. So this is how it will look like, and it also has a cursor like this. So you can just tap your EXE file, and if it's compatible, it will run just like on Windows. But you need to remember that simple apps work best for this and old games run smoother. So heavy apps like Photoshop won't work on this. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can open the EXE files on Android. If this helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.